What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yes. Let's just jump right into it. So basically we got out to the shop here with the intention to go ahead and pull the brand new engine. We did talk to a couple engine builders last night, you know, guys that are professional on building new engines, and the suggestion was made to put some oil in the cylinders, try to bring the compression up. Obviously we've got something, the rings aren't seated. Now these engines get test fired and ran you know, before they're shipped and sold, so the assumption was made that the rings were already seated, but who knows. Irregardless, we've got no compression, so at this point we've got nothing to lose. We're going to try put some oil in the cylinders and see what happens. Before that, I've got to get it all put back together, and so wish us luck. Otherwise it's just coming out anyway. So what do you think? Is this going to work?
No.
It's not going to work?
No.
Come on now. So yeah, we're going to try that, see what happens, and go from there. All right, boys, she is back together. We got oil in all the cylinders, a couple of squirts. We're going to push it outside, see what happens. Is it going to work, Alex? I don't either, but you know, at this point we don't really have anything to lose, so what do you think?
See what happens.
See what happens. All right, let's push it out and
say a prayer.
Yeah, say a prayer. All right. Yeah, so so it's quit smoking and it's running. I'm gonna shut this. Hold on, I'm gonna put the gas cap on it. Oh yeah. Just don't kill it. Yeah, it cleared up smoking. And it's running. happened just a minute ago. All right, we're gonna let her sit there and idle, boys. See what happens. Well, yeah, it is still hot. So, all right, she died. Will she restart? It's still warm, so.
Yeah, it's gonna start.
Yeah, hopefully. All right, so timing is set. We're not getting any blow by anymore. It's not smoking. Let's see how she does on this go round. Apparently, yeah. Woo. Cool all the way down, and she restarts.
Maybe we'll do that later.
Yeah. Let it cool all the way down, and if it restarts, we're good. If it won't restart, engine's coming out.
3 hours later.
All right, guys. So moment of truth. Two-tones have been sitting out here in the 30-degree cold for probably a good 3.5 hours. Nice and cold. About to know right now if we're pulling the motor. Here we go. Man. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I came out to the shop today prepared to pull the motor, and I think we've averted disaster. Now, it's not smoking. We don't have the blow by anymore. We are gonna go ahead and double check compression, just because, you know, obviously it's a brand new engine with a warranty. We want to make sure it's right. But as of right now, we've got no blow by. Everything's tip top. So I feel a little better. I might go have a drink and celebrate. My God, cars, guys. Why do we do this? Why do we do this to ourselves? I don't get it. But in the meantime, guys, big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one.